Hello everyone! In this issue of Plant Protection Classroom, we will explain the records and precautions of obstacle points. Obstacle points are divided into circular obstacle points and polygonal obstacle points. Here, taking the dotting device as an example, the specific dotting operation is as follows. Circular obstacle point. 1. Select the circular obstacle point on the right side of the page. 2. Then walk to the vicinity of the obstacle and click the record button on the remote control to make a record. 3. After the dotting is completed, click the center of the circular obstacle point to modify the radius of the center obstacle point. The radius should be greater than the radius of the obstacle, and the dotting is completed. Polygon obstacle point. 1. Select the polygon obstacle point on the right side of the page. 2. Go to the position of each side of the obstacle, click the record button of the remote control to record. Pay attention to record in order. 3. After the recording is completed, there is an OK button at the polygon obstacle point on the right side of the page. Click OK polygon to complete the recording. Notes: 1. Obstacles must be greater than obstacles when marking. 2. If you make a mistake, you can click on the dot to delete it on the pop-up page on the left. 3. Polygon obstacle points must be recorded in order. 4. After completing the polygon obstacle point, you must click Confirm, otherwise the plot cannot be saved. The above is all the content of this issue's small classroom.